Is it just me, or has everybody not heard that many YouTube videos about the Euxin Black Chiron 3x3? This cube feels really good. It feels like the Euxin Little Magic, and the Euxin Little Magic felt like the GAN Air SM, and this costs 20% less than the Euxin Little Magic. The corner cutting on this cube isn't that good though. Another problem is that the plastic just breaks. Like, as you can see, this literally just broke. And yes, this is a magnetization attempt, but that didn't really work. So now it has to stay on 3 of the legs rather than 4. But that still doesn't make that big of a difference. The turning on this really reminds me of GAN cubes. GAN cubes are really fast whenever you turn them. And whenever I turn this is really fast. Might not be as fast as a GAN puzzle, but it definitely feels like a GAN puzzle. The plastic doesn't feel cheap, but it did break. A piece literally broke. You can watch that video right here. And to fix that, I literally flipped the orange and the red, and I promise you I didn't flip this video. It's literally the Euxin Little Black Chiron's fault. It's because the plastic broke, and the only way to fix that was to do that. As you can see here, there's one piece with these 2 broken off. There's the orange, and there's another piece with one of these things broken off, if you can understand that. But that's the end of this video. I would recommend the Euxin Black Chiron if you're on a budget, because this cube is honestly really good. But thanks for watching. Make sure to subscribe to my channel for more awesome videos. But until next time, bye.